Hi all, this is me Karan. So in this particular lecture, we'll try to understand the basic terminology corresponding to any class. So inside any class, there can be different kind of sections. So what those sections are called, we'll try to understand that. So if you are already aware of this, feel free to move to the next lecture because this is going to be the very basic lecture. So in C++, any class looks like this. So class will be starting with some kind of name, and inside the class there will be some variables or functions like that. So we'll try to understand what we call them. So here, this is the class keyword which is provided by the C++, which we use to create the class, and this is called class name. Class name. And if I talk about this particular variable, this is called member variable. Member variables are also called as class level variable as well, because these variables are defined at the class level. Now if I talk about this particular keyword which is public, here there can be another keyword which is private, and in place of public there can be one more keyword which is protected. These keywords are called access modifiers. So what is the meaning of access modifier? We'll try to understand that in the subsequent lectures. So for now, you can completely ignore the definition of public, private and protected. So now if I talk about another variable, again, this is member variable. And inside any class, we can find out some kind of function as well. So these functions are called as member functions. And if we define any variable inside some particular function, these variables are called as local variables. So inside this particular function, there can be tons of variables. So inside a class, there can be multiple member variables. There can be multiple member functions. And sometimes these member functions or member variables can only get accessed from within the class, and sometimes they can be accessed from outside the class. So that will depend on what kind of access modifier, whether public, private, protected, we are using for that particular member variable or member function. So this is the basic terminology behind class. So let's meet in the next lecture.